Hi, I'm Joanne Rhodes, and I'm going to do a demo about energy. Energy is actually an abstract concept. If you think about it, if you try to say what energy is, you may actually have a little bit of trouble doing that. We're most aware of energy when it is changing from one kind to another. And I brought this flashlight to show you today because it involves several different kinds of energy. So the good thing about it is it's clear so you can see through it. There is a magnet. If you can see that magnet, it's bouncing up and down. And then there's a blue coil of wire. And I'm going to shake the flashlight. I'm putting in mechanical energy. And when I shake it for a little bit, what's happening is that magnet is going through the coil of wire. It's giving the wire a varying magnetic field. What happens to a wire that is in a varying magnetic field is that it's just like having a battery connected to it, a current starts to flow. So I'm putting mechanical energy in, and then it's electromagnetic energy, and it runs up to a diode, and once I turn it on, it comes out as radiative energy or light. And I think that's pretty cool. So in one thing, we've done the mechanical, the electromagnetic, and the light.